vomit got me. I'm a-heading for the last roundup. Oh, bury me not on the lone prairie, where the wild coyotes will howl on me. Why did you pour ink on my head? Well, so long.